Is your smartphone battery dying too fast even when you barely use it? Well, you're not alone. Almost everyone faces this problem. But don't worry. In this video, I'll share 3 powerful tips that can instantly boost your phone's battery life, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Tip 1. Control screen brightness. Let's start with the biggest battery drainer, your screen. Your display uses more power than any other part of your phone. So always keep brightness on auto mode. Here's why. When you're indoors, your phone automatically lowers brightness to save energy. And when you step into sunlight, it increases brightness only as much as needed. Go to Settings, Display, Brightness, enable auto brightness. This simple setting can save up to 15 to 20% of your daily battery use. Tip 2. Turn off unused features. Next, let's talk about those features that secretly eat your battery, even when you're not using them. I'm talking about location, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. When they're on all the time, your phone keeps searching for signals, wasting battery in the background. So, the golden rule is simple. Turn them on only when needed and off when not in use. For example, turn off Bluetooth after using wireless earbuds. Disable location when you're not using maps. Turn off Wi-Fi if you're out and using mobile data. Trust me, this habit alone can easily add 2 to 3 extra hours to your phone's battery life. Tip 3. Use battery saver mode. Now here's the most underrated trick. Battery saver mode. Every smartphone has it, but most people never turn it on until the battery hits 10%. That's too late. Instead, turn it on as soon as you know you'll be out for long hours. It automatically limits background apps, reduces animations, and slows power-hungry processes, helping your battery last much longer. Go to Settings, Battery Saver Mode, turn on. You can even schedule it to activate automatically at a certain percentage. Bonus tips. Here are a few quick bonus tips. Keep your phone cool. Avoid using it while charging. Uninstall unnecessary apps running in the background. Always use the original charger to maintain battery health. Follow these 3 steps, and you'll literally double your battery life without installing any extra app. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always running out of battery.